सो आमी हिंगासोर भासाभास करून पंचायतीचे रिक्वेस्ट आमकां येयल्ले आहात बोथ कलंगूट एंड कांदोलीम एंड ऑल्सो पीपल्स रिक्वेस्ट that the road may be reduced and new road may be constructed that is beyond the people where they are staying, touching the fields and the property. So we have marked a new road of 25 meters which not even one house will go, and the existing road is brought down from 25 meters to 15 meters, 15 मिटराचेर हाडला. आनी तेजे भायर आमी in that we will do footpaths, we will do parking at the side of the road, and we are now back again asking further suggestion and objection. कित्याक जेन्ना आमी फायनल ओडीपी करपाक घाल्ले तेन्ना सजेशन आनी ऑब्जेक्शन मागलेले लोकां कडले तेन्ना कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट येयलो. सो वी विल हियर एवरी वन. इन दीस टायम वी विल गो फॉर इन्स्पेक्शन्स ऑल्सो, सायट इन्स्पेक्शन्स. हुएवर इज सजेस्टिंग समथिंग we will go for site inspection. Like this is of ward number 1. This ward number 1 plan shows how much land is in settlement, how many houses are there. If anybody has missed to put their house on this plan, they are free to come and put their house on this plan.